Hi, this is David Jack from schoolassemblies.net. Now, I can't talk long because I'm about to do a school assembly in California. So what's the big deal about that? I'm in Pennsylvania. That's the big deal. Here at schoolassemblies.net, we have mastered the virtual assembly, and we're still busy doing them across the entire country. If your elementary school happens to be in a rural area, or any area for that matter, your students don't have to miss out on high quality, fun, and educational school assemblies. And these performances are live. They're not on tape or YouTube. Our assemblies are full of education, student participation, and fun. And best of all, we've just slashed our prices so they are affordable for any budget. Visit schoolassemblies.net right now. Get your own virtual assembly on our calendar. We hope to see you soon. Hey, I gotta go. I gotta be in California in 3 minutes.